Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having a great day today. I want to show you something real quick. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that. And go ahead and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos. I just wanted to show you guys, are you sick and tired of folding your letters yourself by hand? Okay? Are you sick and tired of doing that? If so, I have a resource that will fold them for you. As you can see, these are already folded for me. Okay? I've got some laid out here. I've got some letters I need to do for next week. And I just wanted to show you guys this. If you want to get a company to do this for you, it's very reasonable. I had them do my actual letters, my flyers, and then I had them also fold my lead order form for people that don't want to join the program. They just want to be a customer and buy my leads. They do them both for me. So if you want that resource, when you join me in Impact Mailing Club, that's what this is for. Join me in Impact Mailing Club, and I get that source to you guys, okay? This is a great program, a great way to make money from home mailing these flyers. See that? You can make anywhere from $65, $150, $300, or $1,000 selling leads. That's what I sell. I'm a lead broker. And we have verified leads, USPS leads, certified and verified from the post office, okay? So you're going to get less returns by ordering my leads, okay? All right, I'm going to put the link below. Check out this opportunity. And when you join me, if you want this resource, let me know. See you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.